again and again. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Hello?
Hello.
Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Whenever I will require to you to participate in reading, I will ask, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm. Chalo. Now, the last class we started, uh, lesson number 9, right? So
Yeah.
we'll continue the same. Take one pencil and sit, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, we had done till this planets, Uranus. Last, ma'am, last.
I also done this point
Yes.
also.
Ma'am, we
So
had.
we saw about planet Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, and Uranus. Right? See here, those planets are given of solar system. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Which are these planets, beta Kulsum say?
Yes, ma'am. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
Yes, Neptune, nahi, Neptune. Okay, so they are the planets. You can name it as my very educated mother just served us noodles. Okay, now Mercury. Mercury is the planet which is closest to the sun. Okay, and it is yellowish in color. Mercury does not have atmosphere or satellite. From the Earth, we see Mercury in the sky for some time before the sunrise and after the sunset. Whereas Venus is the twin brother of Earth. Okay, like Earth only it looks, but still there is no life on it. Okay, and it resembles the moon in shine. Okay, you can also say that it is like a dazzling planet. What you can say, like a dazzling planet in the solar family. It does not have a satellite. What it does not have? It does not have a satellite. And beta, because of the thick cover of gases and clouds around it, we have very less knowledge about it. What do we have, beta? We have very less knowledge
Yes.
about. Yes, we have very less कम knowledge है हमारे पास. कैसा knowledge है? Very less knowledge, right? About what, beta? About this planet, Venus planet. Okay, now Earth. We all know very well that we live on the planet Earth. If you remember, girls, I have also taught you in the previous class about the rotation and revolution. Anyone remembers?
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? तो सेम वे बेटा, अर्थ ऑल्सो completes one rotation in 24 hours, that is one day, and one revolution in how many time beta?
Ma'am, 365 days.
Yes, in 365 days, right? So same way beta, this satellite that sorry, the earth has one satellite, and which is the satellite, anyone?
Ma'am, it's moon.
Ma'am, moon. Ma'am,
Yes,
let me
yeah,
Moon.
yes. It is moon. What it is?
Moon.
moon.
Yes,
Moon.
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 Very good, beta. So we have one satellite, that is the moon. Okay. Now again, remember, girls, that there is no life on it. What, there is no life on it? Okay. Is there any life on moon?
No, ma'am.
No,
No,
ma'am,
there
the
is.
moon doesn't have any light.
Hmm?
The moon and not the moon that doesn't have any.
Yes, there is no life on it. Why? Because why? because there is no atmosphere. Okay, there is no water found right on it, right? And it is
Yes.
a self illuminated body. Okay, by the sun due to and beta falling of meteors on the surface of the moon. Large pits એટલે શું ખાડા. Okay,
Holes.
yes, large pits. What has been formed? Large pits એટલે ખાડા. Okay. Now,
Yeah.
what are meteors? We will be learning in this lesson only. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Hmm. Now, large pits
Ma'am,
have been formed. Huh?
ma'am, I am saying a fact. It's so ma'am now. So I am learning from that. So ma'am, now I know that what is meteors and that about our Earth and planets and that all. In that channel we can see. So I learned that.
Which channel?
Tactics. Ma'am,
Huh?
tactics. Ma'am, they tell us about fact meteors about meteors, planets, which planet contains this, that all thing. I see that channel with my brother. First, my brother started no, so then I tell I also want to watch now because now I am also in big standard. So my brother tell yes, you can also watch.
What is the channel's name?
Tactics.
We don't know. You write it and send so that everyone will see such channels.
Yes, ma'am.
So we will see more about then ahead that what is Jupiter, what is Mars, what is Saturn, and what is Uranus. Okay.
Ma'am.
Now Mars. What is Mars? It is beautiful red color illuminated planet. Okay.
And ma'am, in Mars, some oxygen are present, no? In
Yes.
Mars.
Atmosphere of Mars is lighter. As per the season, more cold and heat is there on Mars. What is that? More cold and heat. Okay.
Yes. मैम मामा है ना मैम मेरे मामा है ना उसके ना 12th स्टैंडर्ड की जो बुक है ना कॉलेज की तो उसमें मैं ना सोलर सिस्टम के बारे में बैठ बैठ जाती हूँ पूरा पूरा दिन मैं ना मेरे नानी के घर आई हूँ ना तो
Very good, beta. Though what it is, I have also one presentation on this, but beta, because we have less time and exams are there, so I cannot show you extra things. Of course, I will show you whenever we get time. Okay?
Ma'am,
हाँ.
ma'am,
एग्जाम में
in my laptop voice is coming. So can I show?
बेटा अभी मैं पढ़ा लूँ पहले लेसन फिर रिवीजन के टाइम पे ओके
Yeah.
मैम एग्जाम ऑनलाइन क्या ऑफलाइन?
हाँ मैम,
एग्जाम
सोना मैम ने बोला कि ऑफलाइन होने वाली है 2
स्कूल
सितंबर.
खुलने वाली.
हाँ तो ऑफलाइन જ હોય ને તો રન કરવા માંડો
Ma'am, that's great. Our school is opening.
yes and exams are also on head right so
And
Jupiter
ma'am, now we are bored that from 2 years we are sitting at home and doing classes.
hmm so
Ma'am,
finally when we will come now we will see about Jupiter right what is Jupiter yes
Jupiter.
Iman
Yes, ma'am. Jupiter is light yellowish white planet. Jupiter has gaseous atmosphere around it. This planet is believed to be very cold. It is largest planet of solar system. It has 79 satellites in this
कितने कितने
in this
79 सैटेलाइट्स है कितने हैं
79 satellites.
79
imagine so many right
Ma'am, it means our Milky Way is so big, no? Milky Way.
yes it's so big yes
मैम
correct
गौरव
हाँ बेटा
मैम
बोलो
मैम मैं ये
हाँ
पूछ
बोलो
रही हूँ कि हमारे अर्थ में कैसे ह्यूमंस रहते हैं तो मैम बाकी सब प्लैनेट्स में एलियंस रहते हैं
बेटा
हाँ,
scientists are working on it okay
ma'am, is alien real? Yes.
चलो कंटिन्यू बेटा
Okay, ma'am. In also scientists have different opinion. This huge planet can be seen with the help of binoculars. While watching through binoculars, droplets can be seen on the surface, which looks beautiful.
Yes. Understood?
And ma'am, in that channel they tell that in Jupiter 300 Earth will become in Jupiter. It's too big.
हाँ इतना big है Jupiter. Okay. So now this huge planet can be seen with the help of binoculars. While watching through binoculars, droplets can be seen, which looks very beautiful, right? Now let's see about Saturn and Uranus. Yes, Muskan, read beta Saturn and Uranus.
Okay. मैम कौन पूछता है?
Muskan,
मैम कैन आई रीड? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
yes, Mehreen, read beta.
Ma'am, I am here, Muskan. Hello. Hello. From
Hello.
Jupiter.
Yes, Muskan.
Hello. Ma'am.
Continue then.
Yes, ma'am. Jupiter. Jupiter is light yellowish white planet. Ma'am, Ma'am, Jupiter had I read? No? I cannot see,
Saturn
ma'am.
and
Jupiter
Uranus.
has
Saturn and Uranus you have to read beta.
Yes, Saturn. In the solar family, it is located between Jupiter and Uranus. It is the
Uranus
second.
नहीं बोला ना Uranus. Okay, fine, no problem.
It is the second largest planet after Jupiter. It looks beautiful with bright rings of blue color. It looks different because of rings. These rings look like a turban worn on the head. Saturn is also called turban planet. Saturn has more than 62 satellites. The surface temperature of Saturn quite low because of its distance from the Sun. Uranus. It is so far away from the Earth that I could not be seen with the help of ordinary binoculars. The light of Sun is also like moonlight. An astronomer named William Herschel discovered the planet in 1781. This planet is very cold.
Yeah, so now we will see.
Ma'am.
हाँ बेटा, Saturn and Uranus. In the solar family, it is located between Jupiter and what beta?
It
Jupiter.
is located between Jupiter and Uranus.
Yes. It is located between Jupiter and
Uranus.
Uranus. Which planet? Saturn. Okay.
Saturn.
हाँ. Now it is the second largest planet after Jupiter. Which position it comes? Jupiter is the first
second
largest.
largest.
Yes, and it is the second largest planet. Okay, but it is very far from Earth. Okay, कितना बहुत दूर है? कितना दूर है? बहुत दूर है. Very far, right?
मैम बट इसमें तो सब कुछ पास पास दिखा रहा है. मार्स के बाद तुरंत जुपिटर है फिर सैटर्न.
Okay, but it looks different because of rings. These rings look like a turban worn on the head. आपने कभी turban देखा है किसी के बालों head पे? Specially, people जैसे पागड़ी पहनते हैं ना, तो उसे turban कहते हैं. Okay, तो कैसा दिखता है वो?
मैम व्हाट?
टर्बन. ओके, सो
पागड़ी बांधते हैं ना वो.
हाँ.
अच्छा, ओके.
Saturn is also called turban planet because it has the rings. What does it have?
रिंग. मैम हमने सोलर सिस्टम बनाया था ना पूरा 5th में, तो मैम उसमें हमने बनाया था मैंने और शकीरा.
वेरी गुड बेटा.
आपको सेंड भी किया था.
हाँ बेटा. Okay, so it is so far. Okay, it has 62 satellites. जैसे अर्थ के पास एक ही सैटेलाइट है मून, तो सैटर्न के पास कितने हैं? 62 satellites है. So it's very much, right? The surface temperature of Saturn is quite low because of its distance from the sun. क्योंकि वो सन से बहुत दूर है, तो उनका टेम्परेचर कैसा है बेटा? बहुत लो है. Means yes, understood?
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
now we will see about. See, this is the position of the planets of our solar system. Okay, can you see?
Yes.
हाँ मैम,
मैम
जुपिटर
वो
कितना बड़ा है?
मैम वो
मैम,
Now,
मर्क्यूरी सबसे
Neptune.
छोटा प्लैनेट है ना?
Neptune. This planet is green in color. How is it?
green in color.
ग्रीन इन
Yes,
कलर.
yes, it is green in color. How it is?
ग्रीन इन कलर.
Green in color.
Yes, it is green in color. Its atmosphere
पहले
contains.
लोग
Sorry.
मैम ताइबास माइक्रोजोम.
मैम पहले 9 सोलर सिस्टम थे ना, 9.
Huh, huh. So the ninth planet is now. Or
8 only. Ma'am, the scientist told this planet is rotating slowly and it's very small.
it is very small. Matlab it is a dwarf planet. Okay, now this
Yeah.
planet is green in color, Neptune, and its atmosphere contains a toxic gas called methane. What does it contain? A toxic gas called
मीथेन.
methane. Seasonal
मैम मैंने
variation is
मैम मैंने
observed on
ऐसे
this
तो नहीं बनी
planet
बट मैम
like
मैंने
Earth.
अपनी बुक में दूसरी टाइप से लिखा है. My mom said.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम.
हाँ
मैम
बोलो.
अगर हमको वीनस मैम अगर हमको नेपच्यून जाना हो तो हमें कितनी देर लगेगी?
चलो, now we will see about meteors. Okay, now
मैम सिर्फ अर्थ में से बाहर निकलने में 6 मैम
मंथ्स लग जाते हैं.
बाहर निकल
मैम अगर हमें अर्थ से कोई
Okay,
दूसरे
girls.
प्लेनेट पे जाना हो
Girls,
ना
listen,
तो 6
listen,
मंथ हो जाते हैं.
listen, girls, listen. I will answer all your questions. I know you all are very curious to learn new things. But after I finish my planned topics, I'll ask you your doubts at last. Okay? At that time,
Can I tell one thing? I have
Huh.
Can I read?
I have one fact from that only. Ma'am, the scientists are finding the planets or stars in which we can live, and there is oxygen and some birds and that present. So, ma'am, they got one, and in one day they had see that from satellite. So, in that. In our earth sun rings होते हैं वैसे that like only in that happened, but in 4 days also that happened. So they are only finding that in this week the human beings can live or not.
Okay, now, very good,
Ma'am.
Ayman. Huh?
मैम ईमान बोल रही थी एक प्लैनेट से दूसरे प्लैनेट पे जाने पे है ना 6 मंथ्स लग जाते. तो मैम टाइम तो बहुत लगता है, सिर्फ 6 मंथ्स.
ओके बेटा, मैंने क्या बोला कि आप सबके क्वेश्चंस मेरे प्लान किए हुए टॉपिक के बाद डिस्कस करें.
ओके.
Okay, okay. Now presently we are going to do about meteors. Now meteors means what? First we will see. Okay, पहले तो ये सोचो कि किसी ने ऐसा सुना है टूटता हुआ तारा देखा है?
मैंने देखा है.
ये
देखा है?
उधर तो पॉसिबल है.
मैम वो एक्चुअल में टूटता नहीं है, उसकी जो लाइट होती है ना वो गिरती है.
हाँ बेटा, you are very right. Actually there is nothing like टूटता हुआ तारा. Okay, but what it is beta, they are known as meteors. You know, sometimes it appears like a star falling from the sky at night. What does it appear beta?
Star falling from the sky at night.
Ma'am,
I know this whole thing.
अब मैं बोलूं बेटा? Yes. So sometimes it appears, what does it appear like? A star falling from the sky at night especially. Okay, stars are visible at night, like in night only when the sunlight is not there, right? Actually what happens beta, stars do not fall. Stars kabhi गिरते नहीं है, but it is small pieces of stones and rocks. Okay, what are they? What are they? Small pieces of stones. What are they, beta?
It is small pieces of stones which fall from
Yes,
galaxy.
yes, and they are called meteors. What are they called?
They are called meteors.
यस. नाउ बेटा ये इतने ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स से अर्थ के साइड आते हैं कि यू नो दिस द meteors आर क्विकली ड्रॉन टुवर्ड्स द अर्थ बिकॉज ऑफ व्हाट? बिकॉज ऑफ द ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स है ना, अर्थ में जो ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स है उसके वजह से वो बहुत फास्ट आते हैं अर्थ के साइड. दे कम वेरी फास्ट, राइट? क्लियर? Why? Because of the gravitational force of the earth. Okay. So beta, what happens as soon as it enters atmosphere, it gets ignited due to friction. है ना, उसमें light होती है because of the frictional. Okay.
Okay.
And that is why we say that the star is falling.
Ma'am, do you know that in some time ago, in lockdown only, the news is coming that a very big meteor is coming to our Earth.
Hmm. Yes. So, um, for which we say the star is falling. Some of the meteors which are not burnt fully causes huge cracks on the earth when they are not burnt fully, because if they are burnt fully then they do not reach the earth. आप समझ रहे हो? वो अर्थ पे पहुंचते पहुंचते बर्न हो जाते हैं. बट सम विच डू नॉट बर्न फुली, तो क्या होगा? When they fall on the earth there will be huge cracks. Suppose for example if I say you that one of the Koina lake of Maharashtra is believed to be composed due to falling of such meteors. And beta in Saurashtra में अगर देखें तो near Dhalaj a meteor had fallen which weighed 40 kgs. How many kgs?
40 kg.
सो इमेजिन करो इतने ग्रेविटेशन से 40 केजी का जब अर्थ पे गिरे तो वहां पे क्रैक या कि कोई भी कुछ ऐसा तो हो ही जाएगा, राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
यस. चलो नाउ वेट 1 minute.
Can I read, Mahareen?
Okay, Alish, Aisha, can you
Yes,
listen me,
ma'am.
Aisha? Yes, can you read my meteors?
Yes, ma'am. Meteors. Something is appear that star is falling from the sky at night. Actually, stars do not fall. Some small pieces of stones, rocks moving in the sky, or small parts of planets are called meteors. This this atmosphere it gets ignited due to the friction. At this time, a bright line is seen in the sky. For the which is ma'am 1 minute. I go at one peaceful place.
Sorry, sorry, what you are saying, beta?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, that on that room, that voice is coming now, so that's why maybe you have disturbance. Earth, because of gravitational force, as soon as it enters in atmosphere, it gets ignited. Due to friction, it is bright lines in the sky is seen in the sky from which we say that star is falling. Some of meteors which are not burnt fully because of huge crack of earth, Koyana lake on
वो कोयना,
Maharashtra.
कोयना क्या है बेटा? दैट इज अ लेक, लेक है जो किससे फॉर्म हुआ है? बिकॉज ऑफ फॉलिंग ऑफ मीटियोर्स, है ना?
हाँ मैम.
Koyana lake of Maharashtra is believed to compose due to falling of such meteors in Saurashtra. In Saurashtra near Dalaja, a meteor had fallen which weighted 40 kg.
Yes,
Cons-
understood till here, everyone?
yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
what are
ma'am.
meteors? Who will say me?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Can we anyone see a star falling from the sky at night? Is it like that?
No,
Yes, ma'am, I
ma'am.
had seen.
No, ma'am, I have not
Ma'am,
seen.
but
No, they are
Ma'am,
not
ma'am,
stars
मैंने
they are
falling
देखा
not
at
है
night.
stars,
What are
Meteors
they?
that are
falling
meteors.
from the sky.
They are meteors.
It is
What are
a
they?
rock
And
which
ma'am,
is moving
the
in the
star can't,
sky.
the star can't fall down from sky.
Yes,
Hmm.
ma'am.
The star in like that way we can see from Earth stars too small, but the stars is too big.
Yes. So what are they? The meteors. They are what beta? Small pieces of stones or rocks that are moving in the sky. Okay. Or sometimes they are also some small parts of the planet. Or what are they?
They are meteors.
They are meteors. What are
my
meteors?
very
Ma'am, the meteors is two is stone or rock which is moving in uh, solar, and it come to from gravitational force and fall on Earth.
Hmm.
And meteors.
Yes. Who will say me what are meteors?
Ma'am, meteors means a rock falling from the space on Earth. Due to light, we can see. Due to light, we can see that star is falling down, but it is a rock moving in the space.
Hmm. Right now we will see about constellations. Yes, Mehreen, you were asking for permission. Read beta constellation.
Ma'am, after Marian, can I read Iman?
No, Iman, you got a chance. You will not get second time chance.
Ma'am, can I Khadija?
Khadija, I'll see that you get chance after Mehreen.
Okay.
Mm.
Mehreen. Okay, Khadija, continue beta.
Ma'am, from constellations. Ma'am, can
Yes,
I read?
beta. No, Mehreen, now I gave the chance to Khadija.
In wider sense, any set of stars, or even a single star is called constellation. Some of the constellation have specific shape because of the mass of stars. It sometimes look like a ghost and Rohini, Pushya, Arya, Swati, etc. Two or three constellations surround the moon or surround the moon, for which we have to at look at sky continuously. Remembering the names of constellation is not easy, but they can be easily memorized by repeated viewing and understanding. Some names are remembered as they are associated with auspicious work, like at the time of Pushya constellation, gold and silver is purchased. This is information about our solar family or solar system. You still have to learn a lot about home, Earth. So let's begin.
Yes. Now, constellation. Have you ever heard about constellation? Any one of you?
Yeah.
Who has heard? हाँ किसने सुना है?
Ma'am,
मैम
Iman.
सुना
मैम
तो है
मैंने
लेकिन याद नहीं आ
क्या
रहा।
सुना है?
नाम सुना है कॉन्स्टिलेशन।
ओके. और कुछ नहीं सुना है, right? Now see beta, constellation is what? Constellation has specific shape because of the mass of the stars. Okay. In wider sense, if we say that any set of stars, you know, or even a single star is called a constellation, है ना? सिंगल स्टार को भी कॉन्स्टलेशन कहते हैं या फिर सेट ऑफ स्टार्स. ओके, सेट ऑफ स्टार्स को भी कॉन्स्टलेशन कहते हैं. नाउ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज, you know what beta, that some of the constellation has specific shape. Okay, some of the constellations have what beta, specific shape. जैसे शेप्स किसको बोलते हैं, स्क्वायर, ट्राइंगल, इन सबको शेप्स बोलते हैं ना. वैसे ही कॉन्स्टेलेशन के भी स्पेशल शेप्स होते हैं. क्या होता है?
वो लोग शेप्स बनाते हैं ना मैम,
Now
लाइक डायमंड.
these shapes, okay, these shapes are very hard to remember, but not that also hard. You can remember it anyways also. Okay, memorize करना थोड़े hard होते हैं, but it's easy also, right? Like you see, sometimes like goose, sometimes like an eagle. Shapes ऐसे होते हैं उनके, squares, rectangles नहीं होते, ऐसे shapes. तो उनके नाम कैसे होते हैं पता है? जैसे कि अश्विनी, रेतवी, विशाखा, पुरुषवा, ओरियनो, रोहिणी, पुष्या, आर्या, स्वाति, etc. 2 or 3 constellations around the moon, for which we have to look at sky continuously. Remembering the names of constellation is not easy, but they can be easily memorized. Okay, easy નથી પણ એને મેમરાઇઝ કરી શકાય છે, right? Understood this everyone till here?
Yes, ma'am.
यस मैम.
Mehreen, revise beta constellation.
मैम
Mehreen,
मैम
revise.
मैंने एक देखा है जो शेप होता है ना, वो
यस मैम.
ने बनाया था टावर
बेटा
का.
रिवाइज करो. हाँ बेटा, कोई बात नहीं.
यस मैम. Constellation, in wider sense, any set of stars or even a single star is called constellation. Some of constellations have specific shape because of the mass of stars. It sometimes look like goose and sometimes like an angel. There are total 27 constellations like Ashwini, Retvi, Vishakha, Punarvasu, Orion, Sky, Rohini, Pushya, Arya, Swati, etc. 2 or 3 constellations around it. The moon. We have looked at the sky continuously. Remembering the name of constellation is not easy, but they can be easily memorized by repeated viewing and understanding. Some names are remembered as they are associated with
Auspicious work.
auspicious work, like at the time of Pushya constellation, gold and silver is purchased. This is information about our solar system or solar family or solar system. You still have to learn a lot about your home, i.e. Earth. So let's begin.
I.e. એટલે that is kehવાય. Okay, so about the earth, other informations will be gathering in the next class, but till here anyone has any doubt?
Ma'am, I have one doubt.
Okay, 1 minute, but before that listen my instructions.
Ma'am, what is today homework?
Now listen my instructions. जो भी मैंने नोट्स भेजी है, ओके,